Let's make individual pies in a mason jar lid. Super easy recipe. Let me show you how it's done. So you want to grab some mason jar collars and lids, some store-bought pie crust, pie filling, raw sugar. So we're going to start with the collars and we're going to line them up on a baking sheet. Make sure that that soft silicone side is facing down and the metal side is facing up when you place the lid in. You want to line your baking sheet with either parchment paper or a silicone mat to protect it. Now roll out a store-bought pie crust. You can definitely make your own, but if you're going for easy, go for the store-bought. We want to make 2 circles. The first is going to be slightly larger than a collar. So you want to cut out 6 of those. Then use the collar like a cookie cutter and cut out 6 more circles. This is going to be for the top. The larger circles can just be placed inside the collars, press them down gently. No need to grease these. They are going to pop out really nicely when they're done. Now for filling, you could use fresh fruit, you could use canned pie filling, whatever you want. I am using canned pie filling to make it really easy today. So just fill up your pies. This is a great way to make a couple different pies on one sheet. Everybody in your family or at your get-together can have their own flavor. Once they're filled, we're going to add the top crust. I'm cutting a few slits in mine here. You could put it on as is. You could even do a lattice crust on this. Get creative. Then we're just going to put it on top of the base, cover up that filling, and seal it up gently with your fingers. Then come back with a fork and just flute those edges a little bit. Now we're going to cut off the excess. And then to make the tops a nice golden brown, I'm going to brush a little milk on. You can also use an egg wash. Sprinkle on some raw sugar. Pop it in an oven at 325 for about 25 minutes. When they come out of the oven, let them cool and you can pop up the bottom and you have these gorgeous individual pies. They're a single serving and they are delicious. So that is how you make individual pies in a mason jar lid. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what flavor you would make.